Hi, my name is Peter Vang, and I am a Computer Information Systems major.
Today, I will be showing you how to build a pivot chart in Excel. First, you need to download the startup file for the video, which is video underscore data underscore v5.h.xlsm. Okay, so once you have that downloaded, click open. Just give it a minute. Okay, and then you enable editing so you can edit the file. Enable content. Okay, and for name, you enter your name. My name is Peter Vang, so I'm going to put Peter Vang. Put in your student ID. Okay, and for this project, we're going to use the pivot table project, so click on this button. And here we are. Okay, so first we want to create a pivot table. So click on Insert, click on Pivot Table, and we're going to be using this data set for our pivot table. So everything seems fine. Click OK. Alright, so first we want to rename our project. Rename this file. Okay, so we want to rename this pivot table. Double click on the sheet 1, and we're going to call it Pivot Table Project. Okay. Alright, next. We want to put realtor country and drag it into columns. So to do that, we click on realtor country and we drag it and drop it into columns. Alright, next we want to put product type and drag it into the rows blocks. So click on product type and drag it and drop it into rows. Last, we want to put quantity and gross margin into the E values. So scroll down, quantity, drag and drop into values, gross margin. We drag it and drop it into the values. Okay, for the quantity and gross margin, we want the average of those instead of sum. So it's a sum right now, right? We wanted to change the average. So to do this, it's quite simple. Click on the down arrow, click on value field settings, and see where it says sum. You want to click on average. But we also want to have 2 decimal places. So to do that, you go number format, and you go to number instead of general, and it's just 2 decimal places, right? Click OK. Click OK. Alright, we get the average. We want to do the same thing for the gross margin. So go to field value settings, click on average, go to number format, go to number, 2 decimal places, okay, click OK, okay, and we're good. Okay, so what if we want to filter out specific countries out of this data set? So it's pretty easy. Go to column labels, click on the down arrow, and click. So all of that, for right now, all the data is selected, so select all. So click on that box to unselect the whole data. And let's say we want to do China and Spain. So you click on the China box, and you scroll down to find Spain, and check on that, and click OK. And now the data set's filtered for China and Spain only. Alright, next we want to create a combo chart. So to do that, you click Insert, you go click on Recommended Charts, and you go down to Combo. Alright, and for this specific combo chart, we want to have our quantities depicted in columns assigned with secondary axis. So it sounds complicated, but it's quite easy. So for the average quantity for China, we just click on the check box, the secondary axis box, like so. And we also want to do the same for the quantity for Spain. And we also want the gross margin as lines or markers on the primary axis. So to do that, we do for the gross margin, we take this off. We want to find the lines or markers, which is right here. Click on that and change this one to lines or markers. We also want the average of Spain to be clustered column, just like average of quantities for China. So we go here, cluster columns. Yep. Oh, yeah, actually, make sure you check in that box. Sorry. And everything looks good. Click OK. And here's the box. Here's your chart. Alright, so to make this bigger and smaller, you can just grab the edges to make it bigger or smaller. And here's your data set. And that's all you need to know to create a pivot chart in Excel. Thanks for watching, and have a pivot day!